Hey friends, have you ever wanted to make your own animated GIFs for your chats for social media as well? Well, I found the easiest way to do it using Canva, and it's a total game changer. Whether you want to create something fun for your stories or add a little flair to your posts, Canva makes it super simple. No need for fancy software, just follow a few easy steps and you will have your own personalized GIFs in no time. Let me show you how. It's seriously that easy. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video. I hope everything is doing well firstly. So in this video, I will show you the step-by-step how to create a GIF using canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Firstly, let's just know what is Canva. Okay, so Canva is basically the super easy online design tool where you can create all kinds of cool stuff like social media posts, presentations, posters, and more. It's perfect for anyone even if you don't have a background in design. Now, here is the fun part. You can also make animated GIFs on Canva. It's super simple. Just pick a design and add some animations and boom, you have got your very own GIF to share with friends. Trust me, it's way easier than you think. So you have just to sign up to Canva by just come back to the top and you have just to click over button to sign up and you'll find this page as you can see. If it's your first time, that's what you're gonna do, and if you already have an account you have just to click over the button log in, or you can just click over apply now and you have just to add or link your email address and your password, then you'll find your account. I already have an account. Here in the top right we have the profile and we have here various things about my account. That's why we don't have here the button of signing up and log in. You have just to click over home if you have the same situation that I have. Alright, then you will find the other page, which is this one after clicking over home, and here we have how it works. You can just right now search for GIFs, or you can just click over create a design and you have just custom size if you want. For example, you have to select the size that you want on the width and the height. Also you can select the units if you want millimeters, inches, pixels, and also we have millimeters and centimeters as well. So right now I will just go to the search the content and I will just search for GIFs. As you can see, I will just search for GIF here right now and you will find either page which at this moment we have here various template. So as you can see, we have some examples. I will just right now come back in the top and I will just click over see all and I will select the niche that you want. For example, I will just click over all filters here and I will just select here if it's dependent on social media or business or education, video, marketing, print products, cards, and invitation as well. Of course, I need it for social media. For example, I will just here put, I will search for the one they want. For example, Facebook posts, Facebook covers, Facebook ads, your stories, video, TikTok videos, Pinterest pins, LinkedIn video, animated social media. For example, I will just select here animated social media, and also I will select other thing which is, for example, Instagram stories. So yeah, let's just select Instagram stories, or you can just select other thing. For example, animated social media, I will select this one, of course. Then also we have here other option for the video marketing, print products, cards, invitation, and also we have education as well. Now about this style, I have just to select the one you want. Then we have here the theme, the language, the feature, the price. I will select the free one. Then about the color, we have to select the one you want or the one you love. For example, I will select here the white one. Then I will just click over apply and you will find this template as you can see. Can just right now select one of this. I will select, for example, this one. Then I will just click over custom this template, sorry, and you will find other page which is this one as you can see. So I will show you how you can design this template as well. So about these GIFs, you can just right now delete this one if you don't like it. We have here and top other things such as comment, build page, split page, background page, and we have animate if you want here other things and animate. For example, this one or this one, how it gonna appear, and we have various things here as you can see. Right now I will just delete all these things. I will just delete this one as you can see. Just search for delete background. I will delete all these things and I will do my delete video. I will delete also this one. I will delete also this one. Then I will just delete also this one. And the same with all these things. We'll delete this one as well. And the same with all these things right now. As you can see. And here we have it. I will show you how you can do that with another ring. You have just to go to the design or elements here, and you have just to search for GIF here like that. And you have just to go to the graphics, or you can just search, for example, like this one, and you start with it. So right now I will do mine. So I will just go and I will search for example beige. For example, I will just select here the option of videos after searching for beige, and I will select, for example, I will select this one. I think it's better, and it's a video because GIF is half a video. About here, you can just right now select here how much you want and the timing. I will select, for example, like that. I will just here select 6, for example, 6 like that. And here we have it, as you can see, and I will click over done like that, and we have here 6 seconds, and I will just put it like that here, and I will just modify the size as well. The same with this one, I will just put it here like that, and here we have it how it looks right now. I will just add something here, and I will just get started as soon as possible with. And right now I will just come back here and I will add something, for example, fun. And you will just here search for graphics, or I will just search for relaxing because we have here beige relaxing like that. I will select, for example, this one. I'll put it like that. And also we have here for other things right now. And here we have it. You can just add other things if you want. And also we have here text if you want to add something. I will just click over add a text box. For example, the best place to relax. Or you have just to add advice, for example, take care to yourself. For example, it's just kind of that. And about this one, you have just to add whatever you want. For example, about this one, you can just modify. You can put it here bold, and also this one, you put it bold. And about this one, you put it italic, for example, italic again. And italic, here we have how it looks right now. Take care to yourself. You can add other things right now. You can just upload the background that you want, or you just record yourself if you want talking behind this video. And you get started with this one, and then we have how it looks, as you can see. You have just to close right now, and you have just to click over the button in the top right share, and you have just to click over here download, and you select here if you want save download, and you have just to select here the option that you want. If it's GIF, I will select it as a GIF, and I will here click over download, and then you will just share and use this GIF. Alright, so this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.